Hey, I just want to say thank you so much to Jonathan and the coaches in this class.
Before I took Jonathan's Claim Your Voice training, my presentations were boring.
I took Jonathan's course because I had a lot of anxiety around my speaking, and I wasn't able to connect with my audiences.
Before going through the Claim Your Voice training, I was okay with public speaking, but I wanted to come across with more confidence and authority.
I signed up for this class because I'm an author and I find myself in front of large groups where I really enjoy talking with people, but sometimes the anxiety makes me want to do less of that kind of thing.
After 10 weeks with Jonathan, my anxiety and fear around speaking has disappeared and turned to excitement and joy.
I came away from the training with some great tools. I have a really wonderful, well-rounded warm-up routine. I have a different attitude towards myself, more self-compassion, and I have learned how to craft an effective talk.
Jonathan took the time to teach us so many tips and techniques on how to relax, how to breathe, how to be authentic, how to interact with the audience, facial expressions, posture.
I loved the fellow students in this class. You guys were awesome.
The bonus I got from Jonathan's course was watching my fellow participants as they grew and evolved over the 10 weeks. The coaching and feedback from Jonathan, Christy, Julia, and Johanna was honest, direct, and always spot on.
And I've actually gotten offers to do more in both areas of my work. So this has been really exciting.
One of the things I got from Jonathan's course was enunciation. I tend to be a fast talker and mumble and stumble over my words. Jonathan's technique and processes helped me become a more powerful speaker and a more clear speaker.
After the training, my presentations became alive. I was able to relax and interact with the audience as I had never been able to do before.
Now, with all the tools I've learned, I look forward to doing more talks, to doing videos on my website, and I'm not scared. I feel like I got this.
I would highly recommend this program for anyone who wants to connect with their audience and have a bigger impact on them.
I would encourage you to take this training if you'd like to develop more confidence, to enjoy public speaking more, and to make a greater impact.
If you want to create a strong foundation in your speaking, or just build on what you already have, Claim Your Voice with Jonathan Bender is the way to go.